Welcome! In front of me I've got Jaecoo 5. In this video I'll show you basic maintenance of this car. Let's start with explaining the car type and engine types. Jaecoo 5 comes in two basic trims. In each trim you can select PHEV engine or petrol engine. As you can see, Jaecoo 5 does not have typical EV type of trim. So, since this car is not electrical, it has full maintenance like normal car. We'll have to change oils, filters, take care of our tires and brakes. Follow me in this video to learn how to do it. Let's start with opening the hood. In order to unlock the hood, right there under the dashboard we've got the lever. Pull it twice to unlock the hood. Now the hood is unlocked, we just have to push it upwards. Right here we can find 1.6 turbo GDI engine. Right there you can find engine oil dipstick, thanks to which you can check engine oil level. Here we've got the coolant reservoir, washer fluid reservoir, air filter, brakes fluid reservoir, and on the top of the brakes fluid reservoir cap you can find what type of brakes fluid you should use. In this case it's .4. Here we've got the battery and interior fuse box. On the bottom of the fuse box you can find diagram. If you are looking for the VIN numbers of your car, one is located here on the bottom of the front windshield. On the bottom of the bonnet you can also find sticker, thanks to which you can learn what type of AC refrigerant this car uses. In this case it's R1234YF and it uses around 550 plus minus 15 grams. Let me close it. So, there is one more thing about basic maintenance you need to learn about your car. Behind the passenger's doors, take a look. We've got on-off switch for the passenger's airbag, and behind the driver's doors there is sticker, thanks to which you can check the tire recommended pressure and tire sizes. And last but not least, on each window you can find stickers, thanks to which you can learn when the window was manufactured. It is indicated by number in the square and dot next to the number. Number indicates the production year and the square indicates production month. In this case, the window here was manufactured in the January of 2025. Similar thing is with the wheels. Each wheel has special code starting with dot. At the end of this code we've got four numbers, 2325, which means that this number was manufactured in the 23rd week of the year in 2025. It is crucial to have this knowledge because you can always check if the window is newer than the car. If it is, it can indicate that the car was in the crash and the window was replaced. After a few miles of driving, and few I mean around 15,000, you will have to eventually change the oil. Jaecoo 516T GDI uses 5W30 oil or 0W30. It is crucial to always fill the engine oil you used before. Make sure to always check the engine oil after driving around 1000 miles to avoid engine brake. Service schedule in this car is annually or every 15,000 kilometers. Make sure to always check leaks, engine oil level, coolant, brakes fluid reservoir, change filters, and check brakes. Brakes should be replaced every 40,000 kilometers or 4 years. And that's basically it for the basic maintenance. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.